Hello Google Trust and Safety team. This video demonstrates the complete OAuth flow and the Gmail-based functionalities for Rossy AI, which require the Gmail API scopes we have requested. I will walk through the full process, including the OAuth consent screen, scope usage, and how Rossy AI interacts with Gmail. Before starting, what is Rossy AI? Rossy AI is a voice automation platform that helps businesses manage calls, appointments, and client communications through natural sounding AI driven interactions. The app answers incoming calls, schedule Google meetings by checking calendar availability, send reminders, follow up with leads, run outbound cold calling campaigns, and assist with common customer inquiries such as order updates or service information. Rossy AI can also escalate urgent calls to team members, create support tickets, and document every interaction with transcripts, summaries, and audio recordings. First, I am logging into Rossy AI dashboard using a test account. This is our staging environment configured specifically for OAuth verification. So now I have been redirected to the dashboard. So on top right, I have this Zentek written. So this is the organization name currently selected. When we click on this, all the organizations under this logged in user will be displayed. So after scrolling to the bottom, we'll be selecting Ventro card. So on the sidebar, we have my support. When we clicking on that, we have four options. So first we need to configure our account. So we'll be clicking on config. So here we have the option to connect a Gmail account. So we'll be connecting the Gmail account of the client which has just logged in. So any customer inquiries sent to this support account will be synced to the Rossy and can be managed through Rossy. I will now click on connect calendar to trigger the OAuth consent screen. So here I will be selecting the account. This is the Google OAuth consent screen. Rossy AI requesting three Gmail permissions. I will explain one as required. First is view your email messages and setting. So this allows Rossy AI to read incoming emails so we can detect new customer support requests and update ticket threads. We only read messages that the user wants Rossy AI to process. We do not use or store unrelated personal emails. Next one is send emails on your behalf. This permission allows Rossy AI to send replies through the user Gmail account when the user explicitly clicks send. This ensures responses stay inside the same Gmail thread and appear as normal Gmail replies. The last one is read, compose, and send emails from your Gmail account. This combined scope allows Rossy AI to create drafts, send agent approved replies, and apply labels such as process to organize the Gmail inbox. These features are essential for ticket automation. A required note: all Gmail data is used only for user requested support operations. Rossy AI does not store or share Gmail messages with third parties. I will now approve the requested Gmail scopes. So we can see that the Gmail account is now successfully connected to Rossy AI. Now we will go to manage the tickets by clicking on this manage ticket button. So here we can see all the support tickets listing page. So to sync the email tickets here, first as a customer, we will be creating a support ticket to this support. So for that, I have chosen another account and I have a sample conversation with the support. So I will just copy this subject and the message. So when click send, as a customer, this email will be sent to the support team. Let's click on click, view email message. So here we can see the message has been sent to this development.qt testing which we have just connected in Rossy. So now we go back here and after waiting a couple of seconds, it will be synced. Here we can see the email has just fetched and a new support ticket has been created in Rossy AI. Rossy AI fetches this email using gmail.readonly scope. The system analyzes it and creates a ticket automatically. Now let's open this ticket. So here we can see the description which the customer has written. So now as a support, we will add a reply and this reply will be shown to the same customer email thread. So let's again copy a reply to office. So when I click on send, Rossy AI uses the gmail.send permission to send this message. When I check the Gmail account, you will see the outgoing email in the same thread. So let's click send. So it's been sent. When go back to this email account, so here clicking on show, so we can see the new email replied from this Rosie has been synced to this, and it's in the same thread. So for that, why we use gmail.send scope. And again, let's take a reply from the customer. And when I add a reply here and clicking on send, so again in seconds it will be synced here. So let's wait for a couple of seconds. So now as we can see, the email has been synced to this particular ticket. So like this, support can talk with queries of the customers directly using the Rosie AI dashboard. Also, we use gmail.modify scope to modify or assign new tags or labels to this particular ticket, also in the Rosie. So Rosie also provides some multiple features, like we can tag any new tags to this particular ticket, so it can be used to later on for filtering. We can change the status of this ticket like open, and if its ticket has been resolved, then we can close it, and we can also set the priority of these tickets. Additionally, we have additional options so that we can mark as unread, so it will be marked as unread, and we can mark it as a spam if customer support founds this particular customer replies spam not inappropriate. And also we have option to delete. So when we click on delete, it do not delete it from the Gmail account directly. It's moved to trash in Rosie's AI, not in the Gmail. So upon going on the sidebar, clicking this, we can go to this trash section, and here we can able to see that particular ticket. And after 60 days, this ticket will be automatically deleted from Rosie AI. It won't be deleted from the Gmail account of either customer or the support which connected. Then again, let's go back to list. So here we can also create a support ticket using the Rosie dashboard. So let's take another example of another ticket. So here we copy another subject and the response. So I have just copied this response. I add the email. I will set it to the medium priority, and when I will click on create ticket, a new ticket will be created, and also this message with the same subject as mentioned here will be sent to this email account. So let's go back to that email account in which we have sent it. So here we can see this particular new email has arrived. So here it's the same message we have just sent. From here we can click on this support ticket to verify, and it's the same message. And again, if customer want to reply, so they can reply directly through their Gmail account, and it will be automatically sent and synced to our Rosie dashboard. So again, now we go back to Rosie AI. So here we'll wait for a couple of seconds to sync. So here the email message has been synced. For syncing process, we use Gmail's pop-up service, which triggers an webhook endpoint when a new email triggers. So now let's go back to the listing page. So this concludes the Gmail OAuth verification demonstration for Rosie AI. We have shown the complete OAuth consent process, all requested Gmail scopes, the app features that uses this scope, how Rosie AI reads, process, and send emails, how Gmail labels and threadings are handled. Thank you for reviewing our application. If you need any additional information, we are happy to provide it.